Hello, welcome to this bonus lecture in Java development. Yes, it's called a bonus lecture because it is not something that I'm supposed to do, but I have to do that because we've ended this course previously. But the course cannot come to an end if I don't give you something that will make you happy. Alright, so I've learned to make my students happy, and I'm very sure that you're going to be happy at the end. Okay, what I'm going to teach you here is just very simple. We are not going to code, we are not going to write any code or review anything here. What we are going to learn is how to export our projects to become standalone projects. They are going to be runnable, nothing is going to stop them. Okay? Alright. So this is my addition and subtraction project. These are the 5 projects we did. First is the addition and subtraction, our first project, date, time, demo calculator, and the hotel management system. So I'm going to start with the one by my right, which is the addition and subtraction project. We are going to export these 5 projects to be standalone. What I mean by standalone is that you don't need to always come over here to work on them. They're going to be on desktop and you can always share with your friends. That is the joy of Java development. So we are on addition and subtraction, and go over to file and move your mouse to export and hit on export, and go over here and hit on runnable jar file. Under here you have, under Java you have jar file, you have Java doc, and you have runnable jar file. I would like you to select runnable jar file and hit next. Okay, you're going to choose a destination where you're exporting this and go to launch configuration and click on this. So these are lots of projects I've done so far. So I'm going to look for addition and subtraction. So this is it here, addition and subtraction. Now you go ahead and choose where you want it to be. The desktop is where I want it to be, and the name, I'm going to remove this hotel from here and I'm going to use, let me call it mass. I'm going to call it mass or addition and subtraction. So go ahead and hit on finish. Okay, at this moment I believe it is there. Let's go ahead and go to our desktop. So this is my desktop. You can see I have this here, mass. Let me double click on this and it comes up. You see that? And this is 6, 7 addition. Wow, that is amazing. So I'll close this and minimize this again. Let's go to first project and export the first project again. Go to export and click on runnable jar file and next, and go over here and look for first project. Oh, we've done lots of projects. First project, and I'm going to name this as first project. First project. Go ahead and hit on finish. It's going to desktop. No problem. Go ahead and hit OK. It says jar export finished with warning. See details for additional information. When you click on this, you're not going to see any detail. You see that? So exported with compile warnings, blah blah blah. Okay, all right, so let's go to desktop and check it out. So this is the first project, and double click on this, and this is my first project. And when you click on first project, you see that we come to Java GUI. All right, okay, go ahead and close this and minimize. So go to date, time, and go to export, export, descend runnable jar file, hit on next, and Let's go to date time. Let's look for date time here. Date time. Wow. Hope I'm going to know the one I'm working with. Date time. Let's go over with this, and let's name this as clock. Clock. Finish, and it's been exported. So let's go over there and check it out. Okay, you see that? It is working very fine. Alright, close this. And the next one is the demo calculator. Let's go back to file export, runnable jar file. Next, and let's look for demo calculator. Wow, this should be calculator. That should be the name. Wow, demo. Okay, and name this to be calculator. Yeah, calculator. Finish. Let's go and check it out. This is calculator. Okay, you see that? And this screen doesn't seem to come to the edge of this. Let's close this and delete this from here. Okay, I've deleted that. Let's go to the design view of this and check out the screen, and let's make sure is there. Okay, so go back and export this. That is okay. Export runnable jar file. Next, so we still have the calculator there. That is the last thing we exported. Some modifications. Resources must be saved before exported. Okay, it's been saved right now. Alright, so let's go and check it out. Oh yeah, you see that? 2 times 3, 6. You see that? That's working very fine. So let's go over and print out the main guy. That is hotel. So go to files and go to export and go to runnable jar file. Next, and go to hotels. Yeah, and I'm gonna name this to be hotel management system. Finish. Alright, no problem. It exported very well. So let's go ahead and hit on this. You see that? Hotel management system. Wow, that is the main guy here. And let's check it out. Make sure it's working. And you can see my time is working very fine, despite the fact that I've exported it and it's still working normal. Alright, that is amazing. Okay, submit. It's working fine. You see that? I didn't select cost of drink 0 because I didn't select any drink. Heineken. And delivery and task and submit. You see that? So let's check our currency converter for 163.288. Select a country, Kenya, and convert. You see that? Working fine. Wow, that is cool. And let's go to the receipt and let's check the calculator first. 2 times 6 is equal to 12. Yeah, you can use it to check anything you want to check. So remember, you have an assignment to work on the room and let your room display the price, the cost of room here, and add it to the total price here. Okay, so let's go to receipts and go to files and click on receipts, and we are giving the receipt. Okay, that is very fine. I'm happy. that we are moving. Yes, I'm very happy we are moving. So now go ahead and close this. And this is all about exporting. And I believe that you really enjoy this. So I'm so glad that we've just done this. This is my bonus lecture for you. So you've learned how to run executable Java files in Java programming. So I believe that henceforth you start creating projects and sharing that with your friends. So you can send those projects to any laptop and it's going to work fine because virtually all laptops have Java, or every laptop has a Java application running at the back end. So in any laptop you take that to, it's going to work very fine. Okay, and you go ahead and share your projects with your friends and some hotels. They will also love to have such a thing. Okay, so this is the end of the entire course with the bonus lecture for you. So thank you so much. I'm very happy working with you guys. So bye, and see you later in my next lecture, in my next course, in my next videos coming up. So I'm so excited. I feel like not leaving you guys, but see you in my next course. So now that we've finished this and we've come to the end, so I believe that you have also grabbed something in this course, and in any other way, anything that will really make you to become a better developer, you've already gotten that. So this is all about saying thank you so much to coming to the end of this course, because I believe that you're not a better person in Java programming, and I believe that so far so good. You will start developing some awesome projects that is going to help you so far. So I'm so glad, and I'm gonna say thank you so much and kick off and be that best you wanna be as we meet again in my next class.